Hey everyone, so welcome to this video. So in this video today we are talking about that how to create personalized assistant bot using OpenAI with the ChatGPT actually. So here is the URL that platform.openai.com and slash assistants. So this URL I added in the description below. So using you can if you go to that URL and you can just click that assistants button. So after that, as you can see that create an assistant. So in that we are going to create our own personalized assistant bot using this OpenAI API along with the ChatGPT model actually. So let's deep dive into that. All right. So the first thing, I'm going to create a assistant. So I can using this button create, and in that I can put it my. I can just type that my code assistant bot. Actually, so my code assistant bot. So in that instructions are so this bot will help to find the bug for my code actually. And the next thing, model should be a GPT 3.5 turbo model, or if you have any other idea, so you can choose your model based on the your requirements. So I'm already posted the another video. So what is the difference between that each model about that actually? So I can choose the general 3.5 turbo model. So for the code simplicity, and this bot it's act as a code interpreter also, so I can just enable it. And here is the function is there, right? So in that I can we can create a function as well actually. So if your bot fully depends with the weather thing, so then you can add the get weather and determine the weather in my location, and those are the things you can add it over there. But so in that if you just see that, so get weather determine weather my location and a type string. So like that, if I add that, if I save that, automatically that bot will be act as a weather thing actually. But in that part we don't need, so my bot fully works with the coding wise actually. So I can just simply enable the code interpreter, and after that I can save it. So after that save it, so I'll be opening that bot. Here is the test icon is there, right? So in that I can click the test. So after that, as you can see that, so this is the asset ID and the instruction model, all those things there. So in that I can type find the bug in this code. I can just type it. So after that, I can just type print some simple Python code. Hello, end with a single quote, start with a double quote. So here is the bug. Let's see if it is finding or not like that. So if I click that add and run, so user find the bug in this code. So automatically my code assistant bot, it will be written that the bug in the code, closing the quotation, it should be a double quotation point actually. So it's pretty crazy, right? So you can create your own bot without zero coding knowledge, and you can easily to handle that your application actually. So as you can clear that, and if you can see the logs as well actually. And uh, tell me another error program in Python. If I just type that, so as you can see that all the logs should be there actually. So you can trace all the logs, and also you can clear the logs, and you can hide the logs, all those things actually. So this is one thing. And you can create a multiple apps using this OpenAI assistant application actually. And if you click that my account, so in that you can create a multiple code application using this create assistant button actually. So you can create a n number of custom chatbot in that OpenAI application, and automatically that chatbot will it work based on that your design actually. So this is what I want to share with you guys, and hope you really like that video. And if you really like that video, please subscribe my channel for more videos like this in the future. And also, if you have any queries, please leave them in the comment section. Happy to respond. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.
We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.